Hello everyone. So in this tutorial of JavaScript, we're gonna see all the documentation on JavaScript and how JavaScript work and learn the JavaScript as well. So I will use W3 School as a reference because it has quite a well documented um, source code and most of the details what we need. So let's get started. So first thing first is like, why should we learn JavaScript? So if you think about JavaScript, right, it is being used, I think, most of the backend, front end, even nowadays in mobile technology as well. So having said that, right, even JavaScript is the almost popular language so far, and JavaScript is the programming language of the web. JavaScript is easy to learn, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn through JavaScript from basic to advanced. Okay, so good. Let's see. So our in the first tutorial we're gonna see, let's see, on the first JavaScript, right, click here to display date and time. Okay, we can try it ourselves. Okay, how it work is, we have my first JavaScript and we have a button of HTML, get demo inner HTML due date. Okay, if this is something complicated, we can try it later. I think this is something bit complicated. You need to understand how to get element from the div or something like that. We can start from here itself, I think. Okay, so here is JavaScript can change HTML content. Yeah, so what we have seen previously, I think they have explained here. So document is a object which most of the browser we can get, and get element by ID is getting a reference from the DOM. So how we can explain is like, we have a paragraph tag here and the ID is demo, and then once we click on the button, it says that document get element by ID is a demo which refer to this document, and inner HTML is a syntax just which equal to hello JavaScript, which is hello JavaScript. Cool, right? We can do other changes also, right? We can do, let's say, we can put a div as well instead of p, and demo one we can put, we can say demo 1, and we can say hello demo 1. Let's run it, and yep, we have our changes here. So let's go on the next thing. Okay, so this is, I think this is interesting how they do it. Let's see. Okay, so when we click on the image button, right, what they do is that they are changing the image to different image. Okay, let's skip this part, and then okay, how the JavaScript script tag. So if you know, right, in HTML how to insert a new JavaScript, there are multiple way. So normally HTML looks like you have doc type and then HTML tag inside the head, and this is your body section, right? So usually we will write all our HTML JavaScript inside our head tag. So in head tag we have a tag called script, whereby we can write all our script like something like this, and that will work as well. If we run the code, we have a ID called demo, and one click we run the function which we define in the script tag itself. So it's a paragraph currently, and when we click on that, what it does is like document get element by ID, which we have seen before, and inner HTML we change to paragraph change. Wow, it's cool, right? Let's go on to the next tutorial. Oh, okay, this is something also similar what we have seen previously. Document write something, you can write on the console, you can write console log as well. Okay, this on Windows alert, right? This is something cool actually. So once you write, if you see it's 11, right? What it does is window alert 5 plus 6 is 11. We can change it to anything we want to. We can say, right, 11, then run it. 16, cool, right? Let's see on the next one. This is declaring variable. So in JavaScript we have multiple way to declare a variable, but I think I'll explain this part on the next tutorial. So this will be just a brief introduction, so I will end here. See you on the next video.